Hi everyone. I'm going to show you ClassCalc, and in particular, I'm going to show you descriptive statistics, meaning just one variable. You can use ClassCalc on your iPad, iPhone, Android, and also on the website at classcalc.com. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is click on Scientific over here and click on Graphing. That's where most of the stats functions are located. You can see that on the top we have the graph, if we're going to graph anything. On the bottom, we're going to type out the expression, and in the bottom, you have the keyboard. On the screen, you'll see on the left, that's what I see on my iPad. In the middle over here, you'll see what I touch on my iPad, and of course, me. All right, so a couple of things. So because we're doing descriptive statistics, it's usually one variable that we're focused on: standard deviation, the mode, the mean, the variance. We can do histograms, right? Box plots, and so forth. So let's do that. Let's do a list first. So to do that, we click on X. You'll see the X and Y. And then we'll click on 1. So this sets up kind of like a name for our list. We'll click on equals. And then we need the brackets, right, to type in the numbers. So click and hold on the bracket, and then we'll type in our numbers. And then we'll put a comma. We'll separate those numbers with a comma. Okay. Keep watching. Um, Make sure you keep watch on what you type. Sometimes, you might make a mistake or something. So you should always keep watch what you're doing. I got 6 numbers already, 6 elements. I'm going to type in one more. A few more. We got a little time here. Oh, these weird numbers. One more, one more, one more, one more. Okay, 9 elements. And then if you press enter, it takes you to the next expression that you can type. All right, so what I want to do, let's click on stat. On the basic panel, we see the mean. So if we click on mean, to find the mean, press X and then 1. And then enter, boom, gives you the mean. Pretty straightforward. Stat, median, right? X, 1. Enter, median. Stat, mode. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. You click on mode, X1. For whatever reason, it doesn't do it. It gives you all 9 elements. I'm not sure why. If you click and hold on the arrow over here, it gives you the values. So I don't know if it's a bug or something. The range does that the same way, but it does work. Click on stat, mode. Let's type in some numbers, right? Bunch of 5s and 2s and 1s and 4s, right? You can have, look, it's already telling you what the mode is. You see that? So 4 and 5 is the mode. So it works. Okay, what else can you do with your list? Okay. Standard deviation, right? X1. Bam. Not only does it tell you the sample standard deviation, but it also tells you the population standard deviation, right? And also, if you want, you can calculate the variance. Did you see what happened right there? So you got to be very careful. Previously, I did not enter, so it's adding more things in here. So you got to be careful. See, it was like this before. So enter, so you can go to another expression row. Okay, so stats and variance, X1. You got to keep watch what you're doing. Enter. It's pretty exciting calculator here. S squared means variance, um, the sample variance, and then sigma squared, which is the population variance. Okay, what else can we do? Well, this is the basic panel. Let's go to advanced. In advanced, you can do one variable stats. So we click on that, right? which variable? X1, and then we enter. Now, in this case, if you scroll, you can get all the information, but this panel right here seems to get in the way. If you touch the graph over here, that keyboard will go away, and then you can scroll here a little bit. Gives you a little more real estate. I wish this thing would be able to turn the other way so I can use my mouse on this, but maybe that's different, maybe in the future. The orientation is the same as probably as the phone. Okay, anyway, one variable statistics. Here it is. The look at that, the mean, the sigma x, the standard deviation, the sum of x squared, n, right? And it gives you the median. It gives you the 5-number summary, right? Gives you the min, Q1, the median, Q3, and the max. So that's pretty cool. Would be nice if that was put in order. But anyway, very nice. Okay, what else? So if we click here, and then you scroll over here a little more, there it is, right? What else can we do? Well, if we click on stat, and we click on distribution plot, aha, box plot, cool, box plot, X1, enter. Look at that, the box plot right here. That's pretty neat. Okay, super easy compared to the TI-83 or the TI-84. Way more easier. Sure, you got to learn a little bit about typing in the numbers, and it's a little different, but it's way easier, and you can check your answer very nicely. You can even take a picture of this and put it, let's say, for your homework if, let's say, they ask you to do the calculations on the calculator or something like that. Okay, what else? What else can we do? Click on stat. There's one other thing that I want to show you. And I click on distribution plot, histogram. All right, histogram. Let's make sure it comes out, right? Histogram and then X1. And look at that. There's the histogram. And behind, you can see the box plot. But we can get rid of the box plot if we wanted to. Let's get rid of it for now, okay? And we can touch the graph, make it bigger, make it smaller, okay? Pinch if you need to. If you look over here in the histogram, it gives you the bin width, which is pretty neat. That's really exciting, actually. And let's say it'll be 0.5, so it changes automatically. And the line left or the center. That all depends on your teacher, okay? If you're using, usually, not always, but if you're doing a frequency table, most likely it's going to be left align, okay? But not always. Could be centered. Gotta ask your teacher. Okay, so I think that's basically it. There's no dot plot yet. Maybe there will be in the future. But it's really, really nice that it has the capabilities to do descriptive statistics. At the moment, there's going to be a lot more features probably in the future. And I hope you really like the demonstration. If you like these videos, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, be safe. Bye-bye.